Hi, my name is Michael, and I'm a cough for hire.
See, I've been sick for almost a week with a mild fever, but this is America, so I might as well try to make a buck out of it.
So, you're stuck at home with a roommate that doesn't clean up after his mess? Hire me, and I'll take care of it. I need this done by yesterday.
Okay.
Your boss has been making you come to work even though you could work from home and you're definitely non-essential. We can take care of it. Your upstairs neighbors have been learning how to do TikTok dances at 2 a.m. Oh, we'll take care of them. But our most popular package is still the inheritance accelerator. Got an old family member that's rich AF?
Who are you?
We got you covered.
A cough for hire. You got the money, we got the germs. Hire us to cough on people you don't like.
And for a limited time only, if you order right now, we'll throw in 2 rolls of toilet paper. And we haven't even used them yet.